Billy's leaving for college today.
I am. That I am. Well, I will tell you one thing. I hate to dredge this up again, but this is such a better experience than the first time I left for college.
Oh, do tell. Do tell. What happened?
It's the only time I remember Mom actually having, like,
A nervous
a
breakdown?
little bit of a breakdown, but, like, not in, like, a, oh, she's leaving sort of way, I'm so sad. Like, tearing apart the house in, like, a wild, angry frenzy, like screaming.
Oh my
I asked her to get the stuff.
Is this really what? Is this how you want to end this day? You want to leave with our
It's
friends?
a funny
knowing?
story in hindsight. I was like, hey, Mom, I gotta pack the car up, so can you get the stuff in the car out so I can put all my stuff there?
Yes.
And she's like, no, I can't move it. That stuff has to stay there. And I was like, please, I have to move all my stuff.
Do you wanna
And
know-
so she was on the phone, and I was like, I'm just gonna move it to the other car. And I started doing that, and she catches me in the act. And she comes out, and she starts pulling shit out, throwing it onto the driveway. Okay, I did it. Fine. Just like,
She sounds
clothes
crazy.
flying everywhere.
She sounds
outside.
crazy.
Neighbors looking over like
And how often have you ever seen me like that?
once.
And that was the day, right?
That was the day that I left
So
for
can I tell you what
college.
happened from my perspective?
Yes.
I unconsciously, I think I was nervous about you going to school, and I didn't know how to deal with it. And I felt like I couldn't control you flying off to your highest and greatest yet to be, but I could control what was in my trunk.
And onto the driveway it goes.
Onto the driveway it goes, and sometimes that's what
I'm
love looks like.
Sorry I dredged that up because we both moved past that.
We did, but you know what? Who cares? I don't care that you bring that up. I think it's funny. You know
It
what?
was
And that,
a little terrifying.
you know,
but
because
in
most
hindsight,
people
it's
do
funny.
videos where they just everything's happy, shiny, and fun, and you know what? Sometimes
No,
it's
we
not.
both
Sometimes
ape
you're
shit, just so
sometimes
you
you're
know.
freaking crazy, throwing shit around your driveway, and you know you've been there. So forgive yourself. And forgive your mom if your mom ever went there.
Yeah.
Your mom loves you.
We've got a great relationship. But
Your mom
she
loves you.
also
Your
don't-
mom loves you even if she looks shit crazy. Let's just
It's
know
coming
that.
from a place of love.
She's
Like
doing-
90% of the
She's doing
time.
the best she can with what she has. Some moms have very rusty toolkits, and so we just
You
learn.
gotta get your tetanus shots, and then you'll be good.
That's our tip for the day.
Get your
Get
tetanus
your tetanus
shots.
shots. Take care of yourself. Get to the doctor.
Can't pour from an empty cup.
Can't pour from an empty cup. Do a little self-care, whatever that looks like
Do a
for
face
you.
mask.
A face mask, yoga, meditation. We're going to end this in a minute of meditation. 2 seconds of meditation. Here we go. That was good.
That was great. It's like a 2-second party, but like more relaxing.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys. Have a good
Bye.
day.